What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have this camping table. Is portable, like very portable. I'm hoping it's like super easy portable. After assembling this thing, they didn't really have like a demo out in Sam's Club. Oh yeah, and I got this from Sam's Club. All right, so I have a few Sam's Club reviews, you guys. This one is not going to be a review. This is just something I picked up from Sam's Club to put my bird seeds and food in it. But this one will be a review. This is a storage shelving. If you don't know, I have reviewed a few storage shelvings in the past on this channel, so y'all could go ahead and check that out. This one was fairly cheap, but we're not on that. We'll do this one next. But right now we want to do our new review table, you guys. That's why I bought this. The wooden one, I'm going to trash it. I will probably do something new in the future, but I want a new like coffee style table. So we will go ahead and get into this. They did have this on an instant savings. I can't remember. I think it's like 60 bucks. Original price is like 80, but that's if you believe in that savings thing. Sometimes companies might be like, you know, you're saving 30%, but the reality is it's still the same price as it was. You just lying and saying it's on sale for the people that don't really go shopping like that. For somebody like me that goes to the store damn near every day, I kind of know that sometimes that they be lying and all that, but you know. So let's go ahead and get into it. And we flip it out. And it said flip it all the way. All right. And we're going to flip that part out. You spread the legs. Just like that. Oh, sorry, that's in the way. So spread that side, then we spread that side. All right. Keep it all right there. All right. Oh, okay. So I see what it's saying now. The pin has to be all the way down. All right. I'll show y'all that in a little bit. Pull the foot out to adjust the height. Okay. Take this out. All right, you guys. So you could tell when it's spread it out all the way when this bar right here is fully straight. I didn't have this bar fully straight right here. So yeah, that one was on me, and this bar is fully straight. Now let's go ahead and put our top on right now. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is all lashed together. This is very nice. All right. I see a little bit of scratches on it or some imperfections. This is nice. Okay, so you stretch it out and then link it up in there. This is a lump. Got it pushed in. This is a lump. You could feel it. Got to push it in. Push in. Okay. So this one is stubborn. Hopefully the plastic part on it is not broke. Oh, come on. Now this don't want to go in. You serious? It has to be one. It's always one. It's always something, you guys. I mean, you could barely tell, but you could see that there is a little hump right there. And I want it to go in the hole, but it won't go in the hole. Why me? Why? Just why me? I don't know, you guys. Hopefully this works. It's almost like somebody else had this thing and they crunched this up. Maybe they're going through the same issue. But I see it, but it just don't want to go through the hole. The only hiccup that I have with the table is this one here. But y'all know if you get something from Sam's Club, Costco, you can just do an exchange, you guys. It's not that big of a deal unless it's a weekend And then it's a big deal because everybody's off on the weekends, right? So you'll be standing in the return line for almost 1 hour. So it's pretty cool, you guys. I actually like it. Like I said, if you can see right here, it looks like they have a little paint defect right there. Now, I don't know how much y'all nitpick, but I'm just showing y'all this, like some little imperfections. As you can see right there, you see some chips when it comes to I believe this is a paint coat. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.